Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of wild animals. Get ready to be amazed by some incredible facts. Our planet, a vibrant sphere teeming with life, presents an endless tapestry of biological marvels. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, every creature has evolved unique strategies for survival. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore some of these extraordinary adaptations. We shall peer into the hidden lives of creatures great and small, uncovering the secrets behind their remarkable abilities. Prepare to have your perceptions challenged and your appreciation for the natural world deepened as we unravel these biological enigmas. In this exploration, we will uncover truths that seem almost fantastical yet are grounded in the elegant reality of evolution. The chameleon, a creature synonymous with change and camouflage, harbors one of nature's most remarkable hunting tools. Often perched silently amongst the foliage, its independently moving eyes scan the surroundings, a patient predator awaiting its moment. The key to its success lies in an appendage of extraordinary capability, its tongue. This is no ordinary lingual structure, it is a high-speed projectile, a biological harpoon of incredible precision and power. The tongue of a chameleon, when at rest, is stored in a compressed state at the base of its mouth, much like a spring loaded with immense potential energy. Its length, astonishingly, can be up to twice that of the chameleon's own body. The deployment of this phenomenal tongue is an event of breathtaking speed. It can be launched from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere hundredth of a second. At the very tip of this projectile lies a muscular, club-like structure, often coated with a sticky mucus. Upon impact with the prey, this tip deforms, creating a small suction cup effect, while the sticky saliva ensures a firm grip. The entire sequence, from launch to retrieval, can be over in less than a second, a fleeting drama of life and death played out in the miniature world of the forest canopy. The chameleon's tongue is far more than just a feeding tool. It is a cornerstone of its survival strategy, a truly wondrous product of the natural world. In the vast, often murky, depths of the ocean, where visibility can be severely limited, survival often depends on senses beyond sight. The shark, an apex predator refined by over 400 million years of evolution, possesses an olfactory system of almost mythical sensitivity. It is said that a shark can detect a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. The shark's nostrils, or nares, are located on the underside of its snout, and unlike our own, they are used exclusively for smelling, not for breathing. Water flows into the nares and passes over a series of intricate folded lamellae, which are lined with millions of receptor cells. These folds vastly increase the surface area available for detecting chemical cues, allowing the shark to perceive even minute concentrations of certain substances dissolved in the water. The shark's brain dedicates a significant portion of its volume to processing olfactory information. The information gathered through its nares is rapidly analyzed, allowing for quick decisions and reactions crucial in the competitive and often dangerous marine environment. The shark's ability to detect minute traces of blood and other chemicals is more than just a hunting tool, it's an integral part of its ecological role. The blue whale, Balænoptera musculus, is the largest animal ever known to have existed on our planet, a true titan of the seas whose sheer scale almost defies comprehension. Amongst these colossal features, one often overlooked but equally staggering is its tongue. The tongue of a mature blue whale can, incredibly, weigh as much as an adult African elephant. This immense muscular mass fills a significant portion of the whale's cavernous mouth. Blue whales are baleen whales, meaning they filter feed primarily on tiny crustaceans known as krill. To capture these minuscule creatures in quantities sufficient to sustain their enormous bodies, they employ a technique called lunge feeding. The whale accelerates towards a dense swarm of krill, opening its mouth to an almost 90-degree angle. The enormous tongue then presses upwards against the roof of the mouth, where hundreds of baleen plates, fringed with bristles, hang down like a giant sieve. The blue whale's tongue is not just a testament to sheer size, but a marvel of functional anatomy, a perfectly designed instrument that enables the largest creature on Earth to sustain itself on some of the smallest. In the grand theatre of the natural world, not all creatures command admiration for their beauty or grace. The black fly, a member of the family Simulidae, holds a notorious reputation. These small dark flies are found near flowing water where their larvae develop. Their interactions with larger animals, including ourselves, are often far from welcome. Female flies need a blood meal to nourish their developing eggs. Males feed on nectar, but females require protein from blood to reproduce. They have specialized mouthparts for lacerating skin and sucking blood. Black flies are troublesome due to their numbers and tenacity. They emerge in vast swarms, especially during certain times of the year. Black flies can be bold and aggressive, often targeting the head, neck, and ears. Their bites can be painful, causing significant allergic reactions. Despite their irksome nature, black flies occupy a place within the ecological web. Understanding the black fly requires recognizing their role in the ecosystem. The order Rodentia is the largest group of mammals on Earth, encompassing a vast diversity of species, from the tiny harvest mouse to the substantial capybara. Despite their varied forms and habitats, one defining characteristic unites them: their remarkable teeth. Specifically, rodents possess a pair of continuously growing incisors in both their upper and lower jaws. These incisors are truly marvels of dental engineering. They are rootless, meaning they grow from their base throughout the animal's life, much like our fingernails. The front surface of these teeth is coated with hard enamel, while the back surface is composed of softer dentine. This differential hardness is key. As the rodent gnaws, the softer dentine wears away more quickly than the enamel, creating a chisel-sharp edge that is constantly self-sharpening. The necessity for this continuous growth becomes apparent when one considers the diet and behavior of many rodents. They consume a wide array of foods, including hard seeds, nuts, woody plant matter, and even bone. To prevent these incisors from becoming excessively long and problematic, rodents must engage in regular gnawing activity. The power and utility of these self-sharpening, ever-growing incisors have enabled rodents to exploit a vast range of ecological niches. This dental toolkit has been a significant factor in their evolutionary success, allowing them to adapt and thrive in nearly every terrestrial habitat on the planet. Observing a rodent gnawing is to witness a fundamental aspect of its biology, a behavior driven by the relentless growth of its most defining feature. The oyster, a bivalve mollusk found in coastal and estuarine waters, is known for its culinary value and pearl production. However, it has a fascinating reproductive strategy. Oysters can change their sex multiple times throughout their lives. This phenomenon, known as sequential hermaphroditism, maximizes reproductive success. Most start as males and may become females as they grow. Environmental factors influence this change. The oyster's fluid sexuality is a remarkable evolutionary strategy. The blue whale, already distinguished by its immense size and unique feeding mechanisms, possesses another extraordinary capability: the ability to communicate across vast oceanic distances. In the seemingly silent, sprawling underwater world, these gentle giants engage in conversations that can span hundreds, even thousands of kilometers. They achieve this remarkable feat using incredibly powerful, low-frequency sound waves, a form of communication perfectly suited to the challenging acoustic environment of the deep ocean. The sounds produced by blue whales are amongst the loudest and lowest in frequency of any animal on Earth. These vocalizations, often described as moans, groans, or pulses, can reach intensities of over 180 decibels. Low-frequency sound waves have the distinct advantage of traveling exceptionally long distances in water with minimal loss of energy. Blue whales are not typically found in tight-knit social groups like some other whale species. Instead, they roam the world's oceans, often alone or in very small temporary associations. Their powerful, far-reaching calls allow them to maintain contact with one another, to locate potential mates across hundreds of miles of open water. The world of the blue whale is one of sound as much as sight, painting an acoustic map of their environment. In the harshest environment on Earth, the frozen continent of Antarctica, the emperor penguin undertakes an extraordinary feat of endurance. Male emperor penguins fast for months, incubating a precious egg The female transfers the egg to the male, leaving him alone in the Antarctic winter. For months he endures darkness and blizzards, a true testament to the power of life. Our journey through these glimpses of the animal kingdom reveals but a fraction of the ingenuity that life on Earth encompasses, from the lightning-fast tongue of the chameleon to the oceanic dialogues of the blue whale and the incredible fasting endurance of the emperor penguin. Each creature offers a profound lesson in adaptation and survival. The natural world is indeed a place of endless fascination. The more we learn, the more we realize how interconnected and wonderfully complex these biological systems are. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these amazing animal facts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible content. Until our next exploration, may you find wonder in the world around you.